Empowering.
Rewarding.
Eye-opening.
Grateful.
Interesting.
Everything.
A journey.
Young Health Champion is a qualification. It's where a group of children from different schools in a community or a borough will get together.
It's a Royal Society of Public Health qualification, and it's a peer education programme.
It's included a lot of learning, like it's quite a bit of a learning journey.
We will train young people around modern issues of health and well-being and then get them to pass those messages on to their peers at school and within the wider community.
Promoting young people to help other young people in different aspects of health, like mental health, emotional health, well-being and physical health as well.
They kind of run key messages about mental health, they raise the profile, try to break down some of the barriers and taboos around mental health.
Not only is it beneficial for like UCAS applications or just like CV and stuff,
It's something for you personally that will improve your confidence, your speaking skills.
I'd like to go into forensic psychology when I'm older. So for me, this was a great way to get into it and show I've done more outside of just going to school and uni.
It gives them a voice, you know, it empowers them to feel confident to look after their own health.
So I joined because I want to be a social worker, so I kind of hoped I'd gain a load of experience with it, and I definitely have.
So we're teaching them about the basics of well-being, which means that they can embed that in their lives as they go off to university and as they grow into adults as well.
I learned a lot more about how to look after myself mentally and physically, socially, emotionally.
I think personally I've gained like a lot of experience, so how to deal with pressure, stress, and I've learned to be more open-minded and more open as well.
The sixth form students get a qualification, they follow a qualification from the Royal College of Public Health.
Having this knowledge gives me sort of like a more higher emotional intelligence in a way, to know how to sympathise and how to approach situations where someone's maybe feeling upset or anxious.
I've been able to bring back what I intended to bring back and teach my family about it, and it's like they are now working on how to improve their mental health, and it's really benefited them.
So far what I've done, I've helped to promote a message for young males to go seek help.
We went to like different schools and we did presentations on like younger children in primary school on the 5 ways to well-being.
I am going to run a wellbeing group inside my school.
They're going to be delivering some peer messages, so a health promotion message.
They have been invited to offer opinions on things like the wellbeing strategy. They've done some mystery shopper stuff.
as part of the actual programme that we've been doing, we've learned a lot about all the different services.
Such as Youthline.
CAMS,
The Walking Centre.
Safe Sex Berkshire, Childline.
Kooth, number 22. One of our tasks was to become secret shoppers.
We were just testing whether they were up to what we would say would be good enough for someone who is in crisis.
They've provided feedback to both the borough, the council and NHS in order to help develop services.
So today we have 2 people in from mental health first aid training, and we've gained another qualification. And I think it's our job as Young Health Champions to go back to our environments and our family and our friends and just tell them what we know, to help them out and give them the experience that we've had.
There is a huge issue around mental health and wellbeing for young people in the country.
I do see like a lot of stigma in my own community, as well as in like the wider Slough community, and it's something I really want to destigmatise.
I think a lot of young people face a lot of problems with self-esteem and academic requirements.
Making a difference in other people's life, I feel like it's a nice thing to do.
One of the main things I think that's important is the spreading of like awareness.
We are basically teaching everyone around us within our own age group what mental health really is and how you can cope with it.
It's given that support network to feel included.
So I like to be like that listening ear.
They have been able to really have a voice in how these kinds of services are shaped in the future.